Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Welcome back. How you doing? This is going to be a this and that show, where I just kind of talk about what's going on and what's happening, what's coming up, whatever. One of the things I'm doing as an experiment, I've started a Facebook page that's connected with stuff that I do on my YouTube channel. And I'll put a link below this description of how you can get to that. It's very simple. You can go to Facebook, do a search for Tom's Radio Room Show, and you'll find my page, my Facebook page. And I started that a couple of days ago. About a dozen or so people have found it. It was a little disappointing, and I plan on doing things if it works out. And on that Facebook page that I don't do here, and one of them is related to, for instance, this book, this WRTH World Radio TV Handbook, and other things that I have. If you're interested, go over there and take a look at it. I'm doing something related to this book today, and it's going to end today, so if you want to get in on that, please go over there and post a comment. That's about it on my Facebook page. I hope it works out. The other thing is, I did get some help from my handyman neighbor, and we worked on my antennas as far as cleaning up the cables and the poles and everything and moving things around. I trimmed some trees. Some of the trees were actually touching some of my antennas. Got those cut back. I'd like to just have the whole tree topped off, but that's not a capability my handyman could do. And I think today I'm going to be able to install that Radio Shack multi-band antenna I found this past week. I've got a spot for it, and I hopefully will get it up, get some coax cables to it, and then do some testing. Hopefully to do that today, this weekend sometime. So anyway, that's kind of what's happening. If you're interested in this book, go over to my Facebook page and check it out. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Wrong button.